Good morning, students. Today's topic is storage of biomass, and also we will discuss different types of microorganisms. So I already discussed with you about different type of microscope. Today we will discuss about microscope in a large. So let's start with the introduction. What is biomass? Biomass is the total mass of living matter within a given unit of environmental area, plant area, vegetation, and or agricultural waste used as a fuel or energy source. So there are different types of biomass. Let's discuss like woods, crops, garbage, landfill gas, alcohol, fuels. These are all biomass types. So now, what are the biomass resources? So wood and agricultural biomass like wood logs, chips, sawdust, bark, and other organic materials are agricultural biomass. Next is solid waste by burning garbage fuel and heat energy it produced. Landfill gas, methane gas is produced by the bacterial decay of dead plants and animals. And alcohol fuels, wheat, corn, and other crops can be converted into a variety of liquid fuels, including ethanol and methanol. So, next discussion is converting biomass energy into a usable energy source. So, we can convert this by direct incineration, by bacterial decay, like methane gas produced by the bacterial decay of dead plants or animals. Also, we can convert by fermentation. Adding a yeast to biomass produces an alcohol called ethanol. And by conversion, biomass can be converted into gas or liquid fuels by using chemicals or heat. So, what are the uses of biomass? So, 80% of biomass energy is produced for residential use, and 79% of the biomass we use today comes from burning woods and chips. Next is biomass is used to heat homes. Wood is burned to open fires or wood pellet boilers and stoves. And 18% of biomass is produced for industrial use. Next, 2% of biomass energy is produced for transport. So what are the advantages of biomass? So there are main advantages of biomass are biomass is a renewable fuel source. Biomass energy production results in minimum environmental impact, and it is employment generation in rural area. Alcohol fuel are efficient and clean burning, and the availability of biomass fuel is universal. Next, we will discuss what are the disadvantages of biomass. So, when combusted to produce energy, it contributes directly to global warming, and it an expensive source to produce and convert. On a small scale, there is a likely net loss in energy, as energy must be put into grow the plant mass. Next is the future of biomass. Infinite fossil fuel resources are depleting, so our dependency on oil must be reduced, and renewable forms of energy generation will be required to serve the global energy requirements. Ireland has a goal of 16% use of renewable energy by 2020. Today it accounts for 10% of the world's energy consumption. Con- conclusion is, today we have looked at the various different aspects of biomass, including the sources, the conversion of biomass to usable energy sources, and next is the uses of biomass, the advantages and disadvantages, and we discussed the future of biomass. So these all the detail of about biomass. We can store it biomass at a large scale. Biomass offers a renewable solution to the fast approaching global energy crisis. And biomass is a more eco-friendly on the environment than most other energy generation methods. And its policy is setting onerous targets for renewable energy generation, and biomass can be used to help meet these targets. And biomass will create much needed employment in this Irish recession economy. So it's all about the biomass. If you have any query, you can write your query in comment section. Thank you.